Today we're looking at the Power Dissipation Interactive Calculator, an essential tool for analyzing power consumption and thermal behavior in electronic circuits. Whether you're designing power supplies, evaluating component thermal limits, or optimizing system efficiency, this calculator handles the complex calculations that engineers face daily when dealing with power dissipation. The calculator offers 6 calculation modes through a drop-down menu. You can select resistive power DC to calculate P from V and R, resistive power DC to calculate P from I and R, or general power to calculate P from V and I, AC power to calculate real power from RMS values, thermal analysis to calculate temperature rise, or efficiency analysis to calculate power loss. For our demonstration, let's select thermal analysis to calculate temperature rise. With this mode selected, you'll see 3 input fields. First is power dissipated in watts, where you enter the power your component dissipates. Next is thermal resistance, in degrees Celsius per watt, which represents your component's ability to transfer heat. Finally, there's ambient temperature, in degrees Celsius for your operating environment. Let's work through a real example. I'm analyzing a voltage regulator dissipating 2.5 watts. I'll enter 2.5 in the power dissipated field. The datasheet shows a thermal resistance of 40 degrees C per watt, so I'll enter 40 in the thermal resistance field. My circuit operates at room temperature, so I'll enter 25 in the ambient temperature field. The calculator instantly shows my junction temperature will reach 125 degrees Celsius. This output tells me exactly how hot my component will get under these conditions, critical for ensuring reliable operation within maximum ratings. Remember, always include safety margins in your thermal calculations, since real-world conditions often exceed ideal scenarios. Find the link in the description below.